How to hide your WhatsApp account from others. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can hide your WhatsApp account from others. Thing as hiding your account on WhatsApp, but then there is an alternate method as you can hide your profile status or your last seen online status, your bio and all that. However, to do this procedure, first of all, update your application and then log in into your WhatsApp account. Once you're logged in, you need to go and tap the three dot icon from the top right hand side and then go to settings. While you're on this page, you need to go to privacy. Right on this page, you can make changes with all of this, which is going to actually hide your account or just provide you the alternative solution for hiding your account from others. The first thing is you can go to last seen and nobody. Now this actually indicates your online status. So when you actually do nobody or same as last seen or whatever that you select in the top right, for example, let's say that if you select nobody will be able to see your online status on WhatsApp. And likewise, if you go to my profile and right on this page, you can go and tap on nobody. This also indicates that none of your contact list will be able to see your WhatsApp profile, nor other people that's on your contact list will be able to see your profile picture. You can go to about, which is actually your bio, and if you want to hide your bio as well, then you can go and tap on nobody. Likewise, moving on to the next step, that is read receipt. This is actually a blue tick icon that's on the WhatsApp. So whenever you actually send a message to the other receiver or when you receive a message, and when you actually read the message or the other person reads the message, then you get the blue tick icon, right? When you don't want to respond to that following message or you want to disable your blue tick icon, then you can just toggle the button, and as you do that, there will be a double tick when you actually read the message as well or when you don't read the message as well. And in order to enable the blue tick icon, you have to come back to this page and toggle the button. After that, you have this default message timing. So you can also start your default message timing as well. You can go through the timing list and accordingly set it. And similarly, you can go through all of these, and that's how you can hide your WhatsApp account from others. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.